Okay, let's learn colors name: brown, purple, orange, sky blue, yellow, blue, dark green, pink, light pink, and gray color. So, kids, I hope you have learned all the colors name. Let's start coloring 2D shapes. 2D shapes. So in this video we will cover rectangle, circle, triangle, again heart, triangle and rectangle. So kids, I hope you enjoy this video. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for watching more videos. Till then, enjoy this video till end.